If you love crafting with wood, you might be wondering, Cricut or laser engraver? Cricuts are great for vinyl and paper, but they struggle with wood. You're limited to scoring or using thin basewood sheets. Laser engravers, on the other hand, give you full creative freedom. You can cut, engrave, and personalize solid wood pieces, perfect for signs, gifts, and decor. Want to make coasters, cutting boards, or engraved ornaments? A laser engraver does it all, and faster, too. It's a bigger upfront investment, but the projects you can sell make it worth it. Thinking about making the switch? Click the link to get my free guide on starting your own wood laser engraving business.